Hey tubes! Well, I think I've got the motor in the final position here. Might need to come up just a hair. We've got pretty good clearance there. Under here. And yeah, and now it's just a matter of putting in the motor mounts from the mounts over to the frame. Yeah. Okay, and we're doing good back here. Got lots of, yeah, good clearance there. So yeah, I think we are looking good. Was able to drop my radiator in, get that in and out with the. I had to take the water pump pulley off to get the clearance I needed, but yeah, she's definitely going to go. So once I get this permanently in, I'll just need a hose from here to here and a hose from here. Go down through there and come out way down under there. And yeah, so that's where we're at. Well, folks, I got my motor mounts in. Actually, they're cut to size and put in there in their final positions along the frame rails on the sides, and I got the bolts through there. And I'm real happy with the how that turned out. I actually bought some pre-made pieces from Speedway Motors, and just had to cut them to length. And down on that corner down there, I just might put a little gusset in, because the mount itself does hang on just the front part of it, hang down below. If we look at the back of the mount, see it's all the way on the whole, covers the whole frame rail there. So I'll have a total top, total side, and just a little hanging down in the front here, which I think I might gusset. But I think we are good to go. Now I'm going to weld those in, and then I need to come up with a transmission mount. I think I'll order the actual rubber block that the transmission bolts to, and get that in, and then figure out how much of a drop I need, and very possibly could order the Speedway Motors transmission mount, and just that welds in, and or welds to flanges that bolt in, or come up with something myself. We'll see what's happening there. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and let me know if you see something that you think should be done differently than what I'm doing here. Take care. Hey tubes, haven't posted for a while, so I thought I'd get this little update out there with a couple of the earlier vids that I've shot with the working on the motor. Got a few things that I'd like to show you, so let me go ahead and do that. First of all is this absolutely gorgeous 8-inch differential. Had a gentleman I know assemble it, set it up, put the bearing preload in, get the gear mesh set and the backlash and all that stuff, and we have a nice working rear differential here. Limited slip, no less. It's this one right here that I bought. So that one, and put in there, and it's going to be all set to. It is all set to go be bolted right back in the rear axle. No, I was just looking at that. That's a locker. That's the one that they got pictured on the side of the box here. And I just have a limited slip, and but it's going to do the job. It's got all the good stuff, and not enough light in there to get me to put both tires down on the ground. The next order of business was the tachometer. It has a calibration switch on the back for 4, 6, or 8 cylinders. So I pulled it out of the dashboard and got that switch pulled around. You can kind of see what I had to deal with up under there. It's there's the back side of it. But yeah, we got it out and got that switch set. I did pull out the amp gauge just because it was convenient. That goes in that hole. That hole right there had the amp, and there's the 2 leads. And we'll put that back in. I'm going to do some upgrades on the interior here. I pulled the whole center console out and gonna rebuild that. This is where the shifter used to be, and I'm probably gonna put something like a console down the center of the car. So but that's I'll show you how that goes. I'm gonna relocate these switches are for fuel pump and fog lights, and I'm gonna get some consistent controls in there and build a nice little switch panel for the switch and the heater. That's the heat defrost, or water on off, heat defrost, and inside outside air. And so we'll take care of those as time comes. The last item that I've been working on tonight is this gas tank. My fuel gauge has always been flaky, not recording the proper volume in the tank and things like that. So I pulled the sender unit out and went to check it out, and it's the lead that goes to this down into this wiper arm here, and I've got no continuity from that little brass contact there, which is on the resistance strip, up to this line right here. And I checked here, and I'm not sure what's going on. It just doesn't make sense to me that that should be no resistance from here to here, and it's not working. There's nothing there. So I think I'm just gonna better off just sourcing a new fuel tank pickup and seeing what I can do with that. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, feel free to comment, and we'll let you fill you in on the next update. Thanks much. Bye.